When your spouse wants you to quit your network marketing business, and why I didn't, how I navigated doubt, audits, and years of setbacks without giving up. I'm not writing this to scare anyone away from starting a home based business or taking legal tax deductions. In fact, it's the opposite. I want to educate and empower you because I wish someone had shared this insight with me sooner. With the support of my wife, I've built a network marketing business that's lasted more than 35 years. But it hasn't always been easy. My wife and I were both W 2 wage earners with steady jobs and good incomes, yet we kept finding ourselves stuck at tax time, paying more than we expected. We wanted a smarter way to manage our finances while building a better future. That's what led me to start a home based business through a network marketing company. Unlike traditional freelance or side gigs, network marketing offers more than just product sales. It comes with personal growth, community, mentorship, residual income potential, and yes, real tax advantages if treated like a business. That includes deductions for things like training, marketing, event travel, and business development that are often part of the model. Still, the journey hasn't been without setbacks. Early on, I was audited by the state of Hawaii. At the time, I didn't have the organized records I maintain today. I wasn't trying to cut corners, I just didn't fully understand how to properly document everything. That audit resulted in me having to pay some money back. I can't recall the exact year off the top of my head, but I know I kept a record and could find it if necessary. I'm sure the state has it on file too. That experience taught me one of my most important early lessons. If you treat your business like a hobby, the state will too. From that moment on, I made a decision to step up and run my business like a real business with clean records, discipline, and long term vision. And even through that challenge, I stayed with the same network marketing company. I didn't jump from trend to trend or chase every shiny opportunity that came along. I stayed loyal to one path, even when it would have been easier to walk away. That consistency built trust with my customers, my team, and eventually with my wife. She saw that I wasn't giving up, and she respected that even if she didn't always agree in the moment. Later, I went through a federal IRS audit, this time with detailed records, strong documentation, and a clear business purpose. I came out on the winning side of that one. That's when I truly understood the power of treating a home based business with professionalism and structure. The real challenge when family doubts your vision. But perhaps the most important part of my story isn't about the audits, it's about the tension many entrepreneurs face at home. There were times when I was spending more than I was earning. More than once, my wife asked me to consider stopping, not out of disrespect, but because she was worried about our finances. That's a real conversation many people in this business face. I've seen countless talented people walk away too soon, not because they failed, but because they didn't have support or clarity on how long the journey might take. I never quit, and because of that, I've built something sustainable. When I say that, I don't just mean income. I've built a business that has stood the test of time. It's lasted through decades of changes, setbacks, and audits. It's built on real relationships, steady systems, and consistent effort, not hype. It's compliant, well documented, and audit ready because I learned from every misstep. It's emotionally sustainable. My wife now believes in it because she's seen the long game pay off. And it's aligned with my lifestyle, health goals, and deeper purpose. So if you're in a place where you're unsure whether to keep going, I get it. But if your belief in the opportunity is real, keep showing up, keep learning, and keep building. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to treat it like the real business it can become. I've made mistakes. I've been audited. I've been questioned by people I love. And I've still built something that lasts because I refuse to quit. And that brings me to the moment it all got real again when another envelope from the state of Hawaii showed up in my mailbox. This will be continued in the next post, the first contact, when the state comes knocking.